Today I'm going to teach you how to install ERPNext version 15. Whether it's for a small business or personal exploration, setting up ERPNext might seem tricky at first. But with Frappe Cloud, it's actually quite straightforward. First, open your browser and go to frappecloud.com. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up and complete the registration using a valid email. This ensures you get all confirmation and support messages. Once logged in, you will land on your Frappe Cloud dashboard, which is your control center for managing sites. Next, click the plus New Site button. This is where you start building your ERPNext environment. You will be prompted to select the version and choose version 15 for the latest stable experience. Then, select the required applications. Frappe, the app framework powering ERPNext, and ERPNext itself, the business management suite. Make sure both are selected. With your choices confirmed, click Create Site. The system will now start installing ERPNext v15 on Frappe Cloud. This process may take a few moments and you'll see progress notifications on your dashboard. And that's it. Once installation completes, your ERPNext v15 site will be ready, giving you access to a comprehensive suite of business management tools. Hosting on Frappe Cloud ensures your system is scalable, secure, and easy to manage. Take some time to explore features and customize the platform to your business needs. If you run into any issues, the Frappe community and support resources are excellent for guidance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and easy ERPNext tutorials.